Good morning, children. Today our chapter of discussion is integers. So before telling you what are integers, let's discuss the objective of this chapter first. In this chapter, students will be able to identify negative numbers, represent negative numbers on the number line, compare integers, add and subtract integers. So as you all know about the natural numbers and whole numbers. So whole numbers are the numbers which starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. They are whole numbers. Natural numbers, all the counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, they are natural numbers. And natural numbers are also known as positive integers. Numbers with positive sign are known as positive numbers and numbers with negative sign are known as negative numbers. Corresponding to the natural numbers, their negatives have been created which are known as opposites of natural numbers. Means if a natural number like 3, it has its opposite, that is -3. Okay, if we have a number 5, it has its negative number or opposite number, that is -5. So let's recall the first numbers to be discovered were natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if we include 0 to the collection of natural numbers, we get a new collection of numbers which is known as whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now we find that there are negative numbers too. Okay, if we put the whole numbers and negative numbers together, the new collection of numbers will look like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. And this collection of numbers is known as integers. In this collection, 1, 2, 3 are said to be positive integers and -1, -2, -3 are said to be negative integers. One topic which you will cover in this chapter is to represent integers on a number line. This is a number line. We draw a line and take a point somewhere in the middle of the line and mark it 0. Mark equal distances starting from 0 and on either side of the 0. ये जो आपने मार्क्स लगाए हैं वो 1 सेंटीमीटर का गैप ले सकते हैं आप. यूज़ योर स्केल एंड 1 सेंटीमीटर के गैप पर आप एक एक पॉइंट को मार्क करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 सो ऑन. सेम वे लेफ्ट साइड में भी ऐसे ही होगा. यूल मार्क इन द लेफ्ट ऑफ 0 -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So this representation on the number line shows that 1 and -1, they are at the equal distance from 0 but on the opposite sides of 0. +1 is towards the right of 0 and -1 is towards the left of 0. And number which are written without sign, they are positive numbers. And numbers which are written with the negative sign, they are negative numbers. So let's start our exercise 6.1. Question number 1 is write opposite of the following. आपको opposite लिखना है. A part, increase in weight. इसका opposite क्या होगा बेटा? Decrease in weight. 30 किलोमीटर north. North का opposite direction क्या होता है? South. So we'll write 30 किलोमीटर south. 326 BC. BC का opposite होता है AD. 326 AD. Loss of ₹700. Profit of ₹700. 100 meter above sea level, 100 meter below sea level. Question number 2 is represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. The statements are given to you and you have to use appropriate sign to write the numbers. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meters above the ground. Mind one thing, that anything which is above the ground, that will be considered as positive, and anything below the ground, that will be considered as negative. Like something like submarine, the distance of submarine from the sea level, that will be considered as negative because it is below the level of the ground. So an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meters above the ground. See, 2000 meters above the ground. So above the ground means positive sign you have to take. So plus 2000 meters. It will be represented as plus 2000 meters. A submarine is moving at a depth 8000 meters below the sea level. Now 8000 meters below the sea level से नीचे 800 मीटर, तो minus 800 meters. A deposit of rupees 200 plus 200 rupees, withdrawal of rupees 700, withdrawal means पैसों को निकालना, so minus 700 rupees. Question number 3 is represent the following numbers on the number line. You have to represent these numbers on the number line, like plus 5, minus 10, plus 8. Look how to represent. First you have to draw a line, and in the middle of line you have to mark a 0. As you have to show plus 5, so I'll write the numbers on the both sides of 0. On the right side I'll write positive numbers, and on the left side I'll write negative numbers. And I have, the points are marked at equal distance. I have taken 1 centimeter gap between these 2 points. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So I have to indicate here positive number, plus 5. So here is plus 5 on the right of 0. Here is plus 5. B part, minus 10. Again I have to take points, but this time I have not taken more numbers on the right side, as I have to mark minus 10. So I have taken 0 and 1 on the right side of 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on till minus 11. I have taken the numbers here. But these 2 points, these points are marked at equal distance. Okay, this is minus 10. Plus 8. Again, now I have to represent plus 8. अगर मैं इधर भी minus 8 लूँगी, 8 तक जाऊँगी, और इधर भी, तो थोड़ा सा complicated हो जाएगा number line. So I have taken 0, minus 1 towards left, and 1, 2, 3 positive integers I have taken written up to 9. So, and I have marked here plus 8. In this way you will do all the parts. Like D part, minus 1 you have to represent, that is towards the left of 0. So here is minus 1. Now in the E part you have to represent minus 6 on the number line. So on the right side I have taken 1 only, and towards left I have written integers till 7. And here is minus 6, which you have to show on the number line. Question number 6 is, in each of the following pairs, which numbers is to the right of the other on the number line? कि कौन सा नंबर राइट में होगा दूसरे नंबर के नंबर लाइन पर. और हमेशा याद रखिए, जब भी आप नंबर लाइन की बात करते हैं तो द बिगर नंबर आउट ऑफ द टू, द नंबर विच इज़ बिगर, that will be on the right side of the other number. Like 2, 9. 9 is bigger here, so 9 is towards the right of the 2. Minus 3 and minus 8. Which number is bigger? Minus 3. So minus 3 is right to minus 8. 0 and minus 1. 0 is right to minus 1. Minus 11 and 10. 10 is right to minus 11. Minus 6 and 6. 6 is right to minus 6 because it is bigger. Negative numbers are always smaller than the positive numbers. 1 and minus 100. Here 1 is towards the right of the right to minus 100. So the number which is bigger, that will be on the right of the other number. So that's all for the day. Thank you. You have to complete question 1 to question 6 in your notebooks of exercise 6.1. Thank you and have a nice day.